Today I have a comforting dish that really hits the spot, and it was something that I've always eaten when I was growing up but seem to forget about making it nowadays. It's something that my sister Alex made for me when we used to live together, and it's a chicken and stuffing casserole dish. I've since made it for Brandon and it's now become one of his favorites as well. It's 3 main ingredients, takes about 30 minutes to bake, and I can't wait to share it with you.
So to start, I have my baking dish, and in there I have some chicken breast. I'm gonna go ahead and use this stuffing mix. My favorite is stovetop, this chicken flavor. It's really great, but if you have some day-old bread, you can go ahead and just make your own stuffing mix as well. With that, I have some cream soup. I like to use mushroom soup, but you can use any cream flavor soup that you want. I have some salt, some pepper, and some paprika. So first step is to get your stuffing made. Just make it per the package directions and then get that ready to put on top of the chicken. We're going to season the chicken. I'm just going to use some basic salt and some pepper. I'm also going to use some paprika. And I'm gonna flip the chicken over so we get the other side as well. Then we're gonna top it off with the cream soup. And you're just gonna do it straight from the can. Kind of level it out a little bit here. So all the chicken is coated with some of this soup, and that'll keep it moist and from drying out. And then you just top it off with the made stuffing. All right, so this looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees. So I'll bring it back and show you what it looks like. So the chicken is finally done. I just took it out of the oven, and this is the best time to eat it. The chicken is still moist, it's really creamy, and if you look at the top, it's nice and golden, and I love the extra crunch that it gives. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoop out a plate so you guys can see what it looks like. You see the steam is so hot right now, but it has nice sauce down there. If I can just get this piece of chicken up. All right, almost got it. It's pretty big here. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some extra stuffing to go with that. Make sure you get some of that sauce at the bottom as well. And I finally got everything. Here we go. The chicken and stuffing bake is so good.
So I love meals that are quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description box down below. Please leave some comments, like and subscribe, and as always, have a monster-rific day. And here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I just couldn't wait. It's so good, you have to eat it right out of the oven. Bye guys.